个代表性的就可以。
Think of a 是护肤品吗？还是要什么品牌呢？他们针对的客户是哪些？他要我选。
美妆。
护肤品。So another example, if you may think to be relevant, is professional products from France or from Switzerland. They will come over to our show, and at first, at the beginning, they were looking for professional distributors, franchise, to put it in beauty spas or beauty salons. But over the years, they realized the distribution network and business model has changed. The young consumers want to have short. They don't have a lot of time, so they want the time to be short. They want to be more cost efficient, and they want to come very frequent. So all of these brands had changed their products to suit the new consumer habit. So I also want to give you an example of European brands. Sometimes they didn't last in China market. It's because they didn't want to change, and they didn't want to communicate with our business model. So we have new generation of beauty salons and hair scalp care salons that they open hundreds after COVID in high-end office blocks. And they are looking for collaborators and looking for new products that could solve problems within 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But if their product takes too long, too ceremonial, then it doesn't suit this kind of business. And therefore, I really stress the point that always find your right audience and find the right SKUs and learn about the market before you position or decide whether you should come into this market or invest or not.
문화를 어떻게 섞을지 이제 알고 싶어요. 그게 어떤 거냐면 중국에도 훌륭한 문화가 많거든요. 예를 들어서 차는 무조건 중국이란 말이에요.
네.
자기도 본차의 나라라서 다 중국이에요.
네.
그 중국적인 문화와 한국적인 문화하고 어떤 거를 섞을 걸 계획하고 있는 건지.
네.下一个问题是文化的问题，就是因为韩国的话，China 的文化和 Korea 的文化想结合在一起，然后怎么样通过我们 CIB 的平台，然后去做一个文化的整合。
I think one of the best exports for Korea is content. You have K-pop, you have K-drama, you have K-beauty style, fashion. I think it's important to use our platform to speak about your culture and your new generation of consumer, because we do have a lot of similarities. Today, C-beauty, Chinese beauty brands are becoming more and more receptible for all of our global audience, especially in Southeast Asia, for color cosmetics and even the Middle East. So I think for Asia, it's amazing to have Korea, have Thailand, has Indonesia, Vietnam, and China to represent a different culture, different regional style. Therefore, our platform is to cater to diversity in Asia, to ensure that people come to Asia and don't expect the same look of people. We have different languages, we have different style living, and different way of loving ourselves. And I think this is a wonderful, wonderful communication, and let's say a way to create understanding and empathy in different cultures.
마지막으로 중국에 진출하고 싶은 한국 기업들에게 끝으로 해주고 싶은 말씀 있으면 한번 해주세요.
네，最后一个问题就是为能够参展的韩国企业，您这边会有一句话跟他们说吗？就是招商这一块 slogan 呀也好，其实 Go Global 就可以。
拜。 Thank you so much for facilitating.
Yeah, thank you too.
Thank
So
you.
We will probably see you in China or the
Yes,
other nations, right?
please do.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Safe flight back.
Yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.
没了。
Okay, so the last one is okay. I welcome you to come to CIB for our global positioning and global showcase in 2025. See you soon.
对，跟妈妈那个妈。
Okay, good.